Graph of a linear function and its domain, range, and table of values. The graph of a linear function is a straight line. The domain of a function is the set of all possible x value, and the range of a function is the set of all possible y values. To determine the domain, identify the set of all x coordinates, and to determine the range, identify the set of all y coordinates. In order to graph linear function, we can make use of the table of values to map out the corresponding values of x and y for the given line. An equation is essentially a representation of the relationship of x and y values for any line. A table of values is basically a table which lists the value of y given the x value for the given line. To graph using table of values, we only plot the given sets of ordered pairs. When you've got a blank table of values and a linear equation that you want to graph out, you can take any x value on the x-axis of your choosing to start off your table. Let's say you take the number 3. You are going to substitute that into the linear equation to see what you'll get when you solve for y on the y-axis. So let's pretend that you get -5. Jot down both of these numbers into your table, with 3 on the column with the x value and -5 on the column for y values. For example, given the set of ordered pairs, find the domain, range, construct table of values, and graph of a linear function. The set of ordered pairs are -5, 8, -3, 7, -1, 6, 1, 5, and 3, 4. So our domain is the set of all x values. So we have -5, -3, -1, 1, and 3. So therefore, the domain is x such that x is the element of all real numbers. Our range is a set of all y values. So we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Or our range is a set of x such that x is a set of all real numbers. To construct table of values, we just only map out the value of our x and y coordinates. So our x values are -5, -3, -1, 1, and 3. Our y values are 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. To graph, we only plot our x and y coordinates in our Cartesian plane.